Hello everyone, this is Srinivas from Acceldata Customer Success. The agenda of today's video is to discuss on Acceldata Dataplane upgrade for Acceldata Data Observability Cloud or ADOC. The agenda of today's calls involves Dataplane upgrade overview, Dataplane upgrade prerequisites. I'll follow it up with a quick demo on of the Dataplane on ADOC UI, and we'll end the discussion with the frequent FAQs we get from customers on data plane upgrade. Data plane upgrade overview and prerequisites. Uh, so the main question what we get is what is Acceldata ADOC data plane? So ADOC data plane is an integral part of Acceldata Data Observability Cloud or ADOC, which connects to the organization's underlying data sources and which is used by ADOC to read and analyze metadata. It enables the analysis, crawling, and observability features on the data sources, which are integrated with ADOC. Data plane upgrades are necessary, and it needs to be performed with every ADOC release, which happens around every month. Uh, the the upgrade prerequisites are to get the version of data plane from Axel Data team. The data plane services should be up and running before any upgrade. Any crawlers or profiling jobs scheduled uh, during the upgrade time frame should be paused. Let me go to the Acceldata UI and perform an upgrade of the data plane. So on the ADOC UI under register data planes, I have created a data plane with a lower version, which is ready for upgrade. You could see an icon called upgrade available. Click on the icon. You could see the data plane name, the namespace on the Kubernetes server under which the data plane is configured, the current version. Uh, Under the drop-down for the version to be upgraded to, we'll find a list of available versions. Uh, the recommended approach is to go with the latest version or get a confirmation from the Acceldata team and select that corresponding version. Currently, we will be going ahead with upgrade to 4.4.0, which is the current ADOC release version, and the 52 release or 5.2 release of the data plane. Uh, s- uh, if you have used your own registry and your own registry prefix during the installation process of the data plane, you will need to provide the same. To get more details on this, please connect to Acceldata support. Click on the icon to update the data plane. You could see the YAML config file for the various configuration details that are required for the data plane upgrade. There are no changes required unless recommended or suggested by Acceldata support or services and solutions team. Click on save and apply. This will take a moment to run. On the Kubernetes side, you could see a ECR job, which is Acceldata ECR job, which is created and which is completed. Let us click on the completed ECR job. You could see there are no issues here. We will go back. The the various services are restarted after the upgrade. Alternatively, we can also check the Kubernetes dashboard. Click on the ECR job. We can See, there is no active job and it is succeeded. You can click on the pod associated with it, check the logs. You can see the message that uh, the ECR secret is created, deleted, and created again. Once you see this page called application config, just select apply config. The configuration changes would take place once the pods are restarted. We'll go back to the data planes, look for our pod. We see that the data plane that we have created is upgraded, and there is no like you can see the upgrade available icon is missing, and also we can see the latest upgraded version release, which is 4.4.052 release, the upgraded time. Let's get back to the presentation. So we are done with the demo on Acceldata upgrade. Next, I would like to discuss what are the various the data plane upgrade FAQs. So, so from customers, we get multiple questions like what is the version that I should be upgrading to? So, from the drop down, we could see a list of the latest version that is available for upgrade. You could select the upmost version, or alternatively, you could also connect to Acceldata team and get the latest version details. Uh, the second question usually we get is, should the data plane should be running during the upgrade? Yes, it's a mandatory requirement that the data plane should be running. The upgrade process connects to the data to the running data plane services, and then upgrades the same. The upgrade process internally does a restart so that the application configuration during the upgrade process takes place are enforced and it should take place. Can we run the crawlers and profiling jobs during the upgrade? No, it is recommended that you do not run the crawlers and profiling jobs during the data plane upgrade. Is the upgrade of data plane mandatory? Uh, no, it's not a mandatory process. So, say for any reason, if you are withholding the upgrade of the data plane for a few days, the profiling and crawler jobs would still run. But it is highly recommended that we upgrade the data plane and keep it in line and in sync with the plane or the tenant version. Within the next question is we usually get is, who takes the ownership of data plane upgrade within the organization? It's usually the admin team, which has access to the Kubernetes servers, which takes the ownership of data plane upgrades, and it should be a one-time process, which we need to do, say, once a month. Uh, we also get questions like, is data plane upgrade reversible? Yes, data plane upgrade is reversible. In case if you see any issues post the upgrade, we could reverse it back to the older version. Please connect to Acceldata support on how to perform that activity. We encourage you to share your questions with us via comments on this video. If you are unable to get a response to your comment, please continue the conversation on the discussion forum in the Acceldata network portal. Please find the link for the same. Thank you. Have a good day.